going to show you how to use the Supernote card for your essay number 3 and for your research paper. It's a little bit different because for this one you are going to be using sources that has author's last name and page numbers, and so you are going to want to tag your cards with your sources. So what you have to do is you click on references, okay, and the new reference, I'm going to delete that. So you click on add a reference, and this comes up, and so you want to at least type in the title of the article, right? So let's type the title of the article up here, and the author's names. So I'm just going to copy and paste the author's names. It's okay, don't worry, it has all those numbers, that's fine. But on the top, I would also like for you to write down the author's, how the author's last name would look in your in-text citations. So for this one, there's 4 authors, but the first one is Lee, so it would say E. Lee et al. Like that. Okay. Now, if there's just one author, you would just write one author. If there's 2 of them, you would write 2. But if there's 3 or 4, you can just write Lee et al. Okay. Yeah. I would also like for you to write or copy and paste at least the website that you can get it at. Okay. So it looks like this. So let's go back, and now this is what it looks like, right? There's the title and then the author like that. Now this one, there were 3 authors, so I just wrote down all 3 authors like this. Okay. And so going back to your essay, so let's say this one, I got this from the article, right? And I copy and pasted the sentences that I really liked. Okay. And so this was stem cells early stages. I'm going to tag it to the article that we just put in, right, by Lee et al. So I'm going to tag it like this, saying that this is where I got the article from. Okay. And make sure you write the page number that you found this quote in. So it's Lee et al. And then the page number 82. So it should look like this. Now remember again that the quotes that you're using should only be about 3 to 4 sentences. That's it. Okay, this one card should only have about 3 to 4 sentences. Okay, so again, go back and see about this one. Okay, here's a definition. I am going to tag it because I got it from this one, right? And click on save. And so this is from Lee et al. Page 84. Okay, and then this one, right, I got it from this other article, right, and it's Gold, Jameson, and Romer, and it's from page 31. So now when you're looking at it, at the cards, you can see the different colors. Right, this is where I got this article from, these 2 from the same article, and this one is from another article. Okay, and you just continue to do it like that. So that's how you're going to be doing it. Remember, you click on references, and you add a reference.